Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to connect your Google My Business profile with your WhatsApp for easy connectivity and more engagement for your business from Google My Business profile to WhatsApp and get more customers. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing we want to do is to make sure we get our WhatsApp URL link. And for us to do that, I'm going to use WhatsApp Business for that. So what we want to do is to simply click and open up our WhatsApp Business. And the next thing I'm going to do is to click on these three dots right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to click on Settings. Next thing I'm going to do is to tap on the profile icon. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on Share button right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to copy the link. Once I copy the link, I need to exit from the WhatsApp right here. Then the next thing we want to do is to paste the link somewhere and edit the link. And for us to do that, I'm going to make use of Easy Note. So if you're an Android user, you can simply get Easy Note add on Google Play Store. So I'm going to simply open up my Easy Notes, then just like so, and I'll click and hold down. I'll paste the link right here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I delete the messages from the top and delete. Just like so. And the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I come to the section right here and make sure I delete the WhatsApp from the back. So what we need right here is the https://wa.me/your country code and the phone number of your WhatsApp. This is exactly how your links will look like. Once you get the link, click and hold down right here and copy the link. I'm going to exit from the notepad right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to head over to my Chrome browser. And for me to do that, I'll simply click on Chrome browser right here. Having opened up my Chrome browser, next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab. Having created a new tab, next thing I'm going to do is to come to the address bar right here. And I simply type in google.com. Then I simply type in Google My Business and hit enter. That's going to take me right here. Next thing you want to do, if by default you have already logged in with your username and password, what you need to do is to simply click on Google My Business profile. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on Manage Now. And you'll be taken to your Google My Business profile page. But if you have not logged in with your Google account and your password, you will not be taken right here. So make sure you log in with your username and password in order to have access to your Google My Business profile. Get into your Google My Business profile. Next thing you need to do is to click on Edit Profile. Under the Edit Profile section, simply scroll down until you get to Chat. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. So by default, you have your WhatsApp link WhatsApp icon right here. Next thing you need to do is to paste your WhatsApp URL link right here. I'm going to click and hold down and paste. Once you paste the link, next thing you need to do is to click on Save right here. And it's as simple as that. So just like what you see right here, your link is pending. It takes up to about 5 to 10 minutes before Google will approve the WhatsApp. Once they approve it, your WhatsApp will be automatically connected to your Google My Business account. So if anybody wants to connect with you on WhatsApp directly from your Google My Business account, once they click on the WhatsApp, it will redirect them to your WhatsApp account from your Google My Business profile. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.